Hello everyone, today I will show you the Woolworths Discovery Garden pot step by step. So first we need to open the box, and at the back there is a label, so we need to take out the label as well. It will show me what it is. So I got the theme, and in the pot I got seed packet and one soil packet. Now I need a mixing bowl where I'm gonna place my soil packet and 50 ml of water. Make sure the water is really 50 ml, otherwise it's gonna be too much for the soil. So now I'm gonna wait for the magic. So you have to wait for 1 minute. As you can see, it's erupting like a volcano. That's the fun part. So wait until the water and the soil is fully dissolved. Don't worry if the water is too much. That's all fine. So once it's done, as you can see, it's gonna be like this. Give it a little mix. And now you're gonna scoop the soil into the pot. So leave it half, and now place the seed packet on top. And now pour the remaining soil. So now you're gonna place your level, and you place it, and as you can see, the water is dropping. So I will put it in another plastic container. So I got 5 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm gonna wait for 2 to 3 days maximum, and then I will show you how this thing turned out. So do come back for part 2.